Hello, my name is Christelle, I'm French and I'm making a series of videos about my trip to Tokyo in 2012. The video that you're watching right now is part 20 of this series. If you want to learn more about why I went to Japan in 2012 and why I've decided to share this now, I recommend that you watch part 1 of this series, which is basically the introduction. Chupa chups, strawberry and cream. So here is Japan and here is Tokyo. Throughout this series, I'm reading the notes that I wrote in French back in 2012. Mercredi 15 août 2012. So that's a closer look at Tokyo. So the house was around there. À l'école jusqu'à 12h50. So in the morning when I had school, I walked to Kosuge Station and then I took 3 different trains to go to Shinokubo Station and to go to the School of Japanese. So that was my lunch at the school. I used to buy lunch at a convenience store nearby and eat at the school most of the time. So having lunch with Louis. À environ 14h45, départ direction Asakusa. In the train with Louis. So Asakusa Station is there. À Asakusa jusqu'à environ 20h30. Souvenir. À partir d'environ 18h30, Bond Festival, Sensoji Temple. Sensoji? Sensoji? So we've got Asakusa Station there, Sensoji Temple there. We've got Nakamise Dori with a lot of souvenirs in there. Wait, we have 2 stations, Asakusa Station, Asakusa Station, so that's 2 different stations, 2 different trains. Right, so I think I made a mistake. It is the Sensoji Temple, not Senjoji. So I had already seen that on my own, but not for the Bond Festival. So that's in Asakusa already.
Oh, that's a smoking area.
So that's the smoking area. I'm talking to Louis there probably. Louis was Spanish, so we used to communicate mostly in English. I can understand Spanish, but I'm not that good at speaking Spanish. Nice. Cute little dog. Oh, cute bird. Cute bird. So I had already been to Asakusa before on my own, so I've already made a video about this. You can watch it if you want, maybe you can see more of the temple, but on that day I was visiting with Louis, so we were doing different things. I'm trying to see them. Sanjuni, okay. Oh, that's number how many? 300 something? What? 32? 32? Sanjuni? Yeah, maybe. 32. So now.
Sanjuni.
Sanjuni, yes.
Sanjuni.
日本はこうだからこうこう。
日本語です。
1、2、3、4、5と。
あ、
24、25こうだこういうふうに。
30、32、
そう。
32。
おお、グッド。
ありがとうございます。すみません。レギュラーフォーチュン。
レギュラーフォーチュン。
ありがとうございます。
Okay, regular fortune. What is my fortune?
Regular fortune.
That is my fortune. What do we have there? Food, yes. Great, food is great.
But when I came there,
That's lanterns. I think you put a light in those and then they fly. Segakidana. In Japan, Buddhist observance honoring the spirits of ancestors has been called Bon Festival, or Segaki, and observed in mid-July, mid-August in some areas. At Bon, a Buddhist spirit altar, Segakidana, is set up to welcome the ancestors' souls. So that's lanterns. Oh, that's when they are lit up. Very nice. Very beautiful. It's another ceremony. So we have like a lot of lights, people praying. I'm not sure if like people can take whichever lantern they want. I'm not sure what's happening there. So now we are being carried
What
out.
the hell? Okay. Yep, I'm just filming.
So we are just following, going out.
Está rezando. It's praying.
I'm just filming, so.
I don't know what he said to me. He's running to try to catch up with them. Okay, so we are setting up everything. Right, so that's just really dark at the moment. We have fire. I don't remember what's happening. I think they're burning things then? I'm not sure. So that's the view of the temples while we're waiting for things to happen. So what's happening there? They're putting fire on there. Alright. Alright, so it's now properly burning. Also, we are burning the little lanterns that were inside that we took outside. It's taking a bit of time to burn completely, but I mean it's a huge fire. Right, so it's at the end now. And so like everybody is just staying just to watch it burn until the end. Oh, little dog. So the temple at night. Very nice. Je me suis perdue dans le train de retour, express. Puis, okay, if I remember correctly that evening, that's the night where I took the wrong train. So like this train was going like out into the countryside. so I went too far. So I got out at a station, I don't know where, somewhere in the countryside, but luckily I had a train back, so I was able to take a train back to Kosuge Station. And then back to Kosuge Station and walked back to the house. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you had a good time watching those old photos and videos with me, and I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye!